guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and I post a video every Tuesday and Friday. But right now I have a huge surprise for you. You will be watching me every day only except the weekends, because here we begin the Vlogmas 2022 series wherein I'll be posting a video every day till the 25th December. But I won't be posting a video on a Saturday and Sunday because that is to relax. So yeah, in today's video I will be reviewing a sunscreen for sensitive skin. Now in case you don't know, I've made a series of sunscreen videos for normal skin, the most hyped sunscreen, that is the Aqualogica sunscreen, and I've also made a video on the Dot & Key skincare sunscreen, which is for acne prone skin. And in today's video, I have a sunscreen for sensitive skin. So if you're watching me for the first time, go subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway for you for this Vlogmas series, which I will be posting on the community tab. So go check that out. Don't forget to participate and win beautiful skincare and makeup products. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So since my intro was too long for today, let's get deep inside the video. Today I will be talking about the COSIQ sunscreen, which is their serum SPF50 sunscreen. This is the outer packaging of the product. Behind they have described the product. They have mentioned the packaging of the product which is there inside, and they have written everything about the product. This is a closer view. You can see how the packaging is. I like how informative this packaging is, not only from behind, but if you see in the front as well, how the name of the product has been highlighted. All the features are mentioned here. Super packaging. This made me love the sunscreen already, because such transparency is so important when you're making a skincare product. Now coming to the actual packaging of the product. This is how the product looks from inside. It is a plastic packaging. This is the lid and this is the pump nozzle that you have. Works great, very easy to pump out the product you need. So I love the packaging. It's a very tiny small bottle, so it can fit in your bag. It's leak proof, so it can stay anywhere you travel. So it's a travel friendly kind of packaging, I would say. Coming to the price, it is for 699 rupees for 100 ml of product. So now let's come and check the claims of the product. So on the packaging on the front side, it's written that it's full spectrum coverage, UVA, UVB and IR protection, PA++++ rating, makeup safe formula, airless bottle to protect product efficacy, sweat and water resistant, no white cast, dermatologically tested and in vitro verified SPF ratings. Wow. Again, they have mentioned outdoor and full sun exposure AM usage sunscreen. I am mind blown. Like, they have mentioned everything that even a dummy who doesn't use a sunscreen would understand what a sunscreen is and when it's supposed to use it, what kind of protection I'm getting. This is how the product should be. I am super impressed with the packaging. Now coming behind, when you see this whole thing here, they have mentioned that it's hybrid zero white cast formula. Again, the same full spectrum thing. They have also mentioned here pollution and free radical protection antioxidant. Then they have written double encapsulated filters and non-penetrating actives. Then they have also mentioned non-irritating, makeup safe. Okay, so some sunscreens when applied under makeup make you a little irritant or give you a tingling sensation. Sometime if you have dry skin or sensitive skin, you might have noticed this. Oily and normal type skins का मुझे पता नहीं है, because I am someone who has dry skin in the winters. Other time it's sometimes very sensitive, so I have realized these things over the time as I use skincare and makeup. So this is the backstory of the product. Now coming to the actual product. Now this product doesn't have any fragrance to me. It smells like the typical medicine, जो soframycin वाला जो smell होता है ना, it has that kind of a smell, but I think that's okay. I think this product doesn't even need any explanation because everything is on the packaging. You see the packaging and you know what you're using, you know what it has, and everything is mentioned in the packaging itself. So I love how transparent the brand is about everything. All the ingredients are mentioned behind everything, from the like the in detail ingredient list that you need, everything is mentioned behind. It is a serum formula. I've seen this for the first time. I haven't used, actually, might be available in the market, but for me this was the first time I've used a sunscreen which is very watery in texture. So this was like very much a serum consistency. You can see how flowy the product is, and once I apply it, it got absorbed really quick. I didn't see much of a white cast. Obviously I'll be doing a wear test in the end of the video, so you'll know more better, but this is how the product was. It's a serum, so it gets absorbed into the skin really quick, and it did as well. Right now my skin is dry, so this product did not work for my skin. Like, it made my skin feel more drier, I feel. But if you have sensitive skin and if you are someone who is an oily skin type person, you both could use this very, very comfortably because it doesn't have any irritants in it, so it doesn't even have fragrance for that matter. So for that reason this product is excellent. But for my skin, because it's very, very dry and flaky, this product just doesn't work at all. It makes my skin dry, but otherwise it is a great product. It doesn't make a skin tan. I've used it on my legs. It doesn't tan at all. So it's a great sunscreen in that case. Again, this is a hybrid, that is a physical and chemical based sunscreen, in case you wanted to know. And this video was really, really very, very insightful and gave you a lot to know about a sunscreen. This is a new product and it's already a hit product, I feel, from my end. There is a giveaway mentioned on my community tab. Go into the giveaway and win free goodies, that is skincare and makeup. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.